What's going on, guys? Going to do a quick token gem review video, then I'll leave you alone the rest of the day, I promise. Of course, we're going to go to cryptoparadise.net, click on the surf tab to learn more, as Crypto Paradise has just launched their surf meme-tility project, so let's dive right in. Yo, welcome to the Crypto Paradise DAO, and here is the contract address. It ends in one bed because you go to bed and you wake up to green candles in your portfolio mooning, tokens being burned, LPs being added, and your wallet earning more reflection rewards in the form of more surf. So let's get into it. The sustainable token ecosystem. Crypto Paradise's surf token is a sustainable tax token designed to reward its community with every trade. Each transaction triggers automatic buybacks, token burns, liquidity additions, and rewards distributed directly in surf to all holders. The system creates a self-sustaining ecosystem where higher trading volume means increased token burns, deeper liquidity, and greater rewards. With every trade, surf becomes more scarce and valuable, making it a powerful incentive-driven asset for long-term holders and active traders alike. But it isn't ending there. The DAO and pre-sales get in the lineup. To join the DAO and have a say in Crypto Paradise's future, you'll need at least 200,000 surf or more in your stash. This will get you into a VIP group where you'll get pre-sale access, alpha on gems, trade setups, discounts, and more to come. We can kind of see the surfing coconut meme here. Here's a couple ideas of the direction the meme will be going. Something very unique, something I haven't seen before, and something that I really enjoy. Because again, we all want to get on Paradise. What is your crypto paradise? That changes from guest to guest. That changes from person to person. But I know we all love getting to that beach, stepping back from the computer screens, touching some sand, touching some grass, and enjoying financial freedom. And hopefully we can do that together with the surf mascot in Crypto Paradise this cycle. Another utility, you ask? That is correct. Retreats. Beyond its powerful token economics, Surf also unlocks real-world utility through exclusive access to Crypto Paradise retreats. Luxury getaways designed for the crypto-savvy. Holders of Surf can enjoy special discounts on accommodations, events, and experiences at these retreats. This utility bridges the gap between digital assets and real-life benefits, making Surf not just a rewarding investment, but a passport to premium experiences within the Crypto Paradise community, and we hope to see you there. In this blank spot right here, what's going to go there? Well, that is because we do have the Paradise Pad right now in Tulum, Mexico. And any surf holder of 200,000 surf or more and you are in the DAO, we are letting you use the Paradise Pad condo in Tulum, Mexico absolutely free. Beautiful new construction, only a couple years old, 2 beds, 2 bath, a pull-out couch. Get down to the Paradise Pad and we ask nothing of you. Completely free, no strings attached. Own 200,000 surf or more, do a little content while you're down there, and it's all yours. The Paradise Pad for the weekend. Get down there with some friends, some family, some crypto native friends, whatever it is, and enjoy it. So let's look at the token economics that kind of funnel the growth and expansion of the surf token in the future. There's a 5% buy fee and a 5% sell fee. How is that broken up? Why is there a fee? Why is there a tax? Well, 0.5% goes to auto-adding liquidity with the Surf and XLP. That is X Protocol, a great project, undervalued gem led by Coach X. You may have heard of him. And that will be juicing up that LP as we go. If X goes higher, Surf will follow. 1% goes to rewards in Surf. Yes, that means you. Every Surf token you have gets their prorated share of these reflection rewards. The more Surf you own, the more Surf you get in rewards. So stack up those bags. 1.5% to a DAO. This DAO bag after just 2 days is right here. If I refresh this, well, guess what? What do you see here? The DAO already has $17,990 worth of PLS and X in there. What is the DAO going to vote to do with it? I don't know. I'll tell you that I hope it votes to add to more LPs. I hope it votes to buy and burn Surf token. That's what I hope it does. And what happens when you start implementing this over and over and over again? I think the Surf price goes higher. non-financial advice. To add fuel to the fire, quite literally, another 0.5% goes towards buying up Surf tokens and burning them out of the total supply forever. Once I get to the charts, the DexTools, the DexScreener, we will see just how many tokens have already been burnt in the first 2 days since launch. Another 0.5% adds to the Surf PLS LP. PLS is the gas token and the largest token on the Pulse Chain network, so it is very important to create a fat liquidity pair with Pulse Chain so that traders can get in easy, can get out easy, and it won't impact the chart as we continue to grow. And lastly, there's a 1% no expectation wallet. This is going to the Crypto Paradise Treasury wallet, being used to grow the Crypto Paradise brand, whether that's via editing, maybe buying Surf, maybe paying for excursions. Because the bigger the Crypto Paradise brand gets, the more revenue that business has, and the more revenue that can be passed on to who? Onto the Surf project and the Surf token holders. Some of the latest pre-sales they talk about here, some of the biggest pre-sales they have coming up, access that you can get, or previous access, you can go ahead and get on their YouTube, check it out. The team, Web3 Nate, Crypto Armor, myself, we got Tom, we got Taha, we got Amir, you got X Protocol, you got a bunch of partnerships and collaborations that are going to be added in this spot here. So let's work together. Check out the Twitter, the YouTube, the Telegram, the TikTok, the Medium, and the list goes on. And of course, now we have the DexTools logo, because why? It looks like the DexTools has been updated. Like I said, just launched 2 days ago at an $11,000 market cap. Ran up to 800,000, back to 350,000, and now sitting at 491,000 market cap. That is just beautiful, isn't it? Everybody was saying, when DexTools, when DexScreener, when CMC. Let the dust settle. Let the Jeets out. Let the snipers out. And then start pulling the strings. And what do you know? We got a banner here for Crypto Paradise. We got a token logo here for Crypto Paradise. And we have a Dex score that is growing by the minute. Information has been updated to 99. Transactions 99. Holders 99. This audit score was a 1. Then a 39. Then a 59. And now a 79. And this pool is 34 points. Of course, this is going to be going up as the price of Surf rises, as more auto LPs are added, or as the DAO votes to add more to the PLS pool. So in time, that will go up. Let's check out the audits. Green, 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 and scam risk is now neutral. That was red, then yellow, then neutral. So it seems that the auditors are starting to figure out that this is a non-nefarious contract and one that will be sustaining for the entirety of this bull market and beyond. Token description, ride the Surf wave, a meme utility token from Crypto Paradise with rewards, DAO access, pre-sales, and deflationary vibes. It has the DeFi tag and the meme coin tag. You gotta love it. Now, it keeps talking about deflationary, and I told you that tokens are already being burned. In the first 2 days, what do you see here? 98.65 million total supply. What if I told you that the total supply is actually 100 million and that already 1.35 million tokens, or 1.35% of the total supply of Surf, have already been burnt out of circulation forever? Scarcity provides what? If supply goes down and demand remains stagnant or increases, that means the price of that asset goes up and to the right and becomes more expensive. That is the goal here with this mechanic, and this is all happening with every single trade. 0.5% of every trade goes towards automatically buying and burning Surf out of the total supply. So good to see how much is getting burnt just so far already. In 2 days, already have 461 holders. That is slowly going. Today started with 444, and now we're up to 461. So we might as well go over here to DexScreener. I don't use it as much, but it does allow you to click on the banner. That's pretty cool. Look at our little buddy here with Crypto Paradise backing it all the way. We can scroll down here, and we see the Surf token. There you go. If Surf was a physical token, that's what it would look like. So that is the token logo. And of course, it's gold, because gold is at new all-time highs. Gold is what everybody thinks is the most precious metal, and gold is what we want as the golden standard for the Surf token. Let's read the description here. Ride the wave with Surf token. This electrifying meme utility token from Crypto Paradise is your ticket to a vibrant, community-driven ecosystem, packed with epic rewards for holders, DeFi liquidity web, deflationary token economics, and a passion for collaboration. That is a hint of the things to come. Will we collaborate with your favorite influencer? Will there be collaboration with your favorite meme coin on Pulse Chain? Stay tuned. Next week could be pretty exciting. Surf is set to make a massive splash in the crypto scene. Escape the 9 to 5. Embrace your freedom, whatever that means for you. And I think there might be some more trackers that we need to go over in the next video. Maybe InvestX, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Do I happen to know people at all those places? Maybe Crypto Paradise will tap into some of those connections, and we will start to see surf in more places. Not going to do TA on this. It is too early. All I know is you can see the fib levels. You can know that we will let the dust settle. Jeets are out. Snipers are out. And things are to come. This valuation, with these token economics, these utilities, and the brand awareness that is growing. Do what you want, not financial advice. If you want more information, check out cryptoparadise.net. Click on the surf tab. Read along. And expect a lot of updates to come in the near future, boys. That's the surf token. That's Crypto Paradise. Bridge over to Pulse Chain. Get involved. Start earning. Start winning. Start getting that alpha. Peace!